How to create Zoom link for meetings on laptop. The first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Zoom Workplace application, or if you're using Zoom Web, you could do that from there as well. And from here, you're going to have an option to schedule a meeting. Just go ahead and click on this option right here. And once you click on it, another window will pop up. You can name your meeting or change the meeting name as well. And from here, you can change your date, you could change your time. And once you have done that, you could change your time from here as well. Then you can choose repeat if you want it to be daily, weekly on Sunday, monthly on 4th, or you could do a custom repeat as well. You can invite attendees as well. You can enter their ID and simply invite them personally. And you can generate the meeting ID automatically, or you could just choose your personal meeting ID as well. This will be your passcode. And if you want to change it, you could just choose a different passcode as well. I'm going to generate meeting ID automatically and then click on save. And once you have done that, a new meeting will be scheduled on Google Calendar. Now you can go back to your Zoom, you'll find your meeting here, and if you want to copy the invitation link, you can just copy it from here and share it to whoever you want. That's how you create a meeting link for Zoom. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.